Welcome to MqlrobotEAs. In this video, we'll explore the structure and logic behind the Mqlrobot RSI Adaptive Trading EA, built entirely with FXdreema, no coding required. This expert advisor is designed to intelligently adapt its trading behavior to changing market conditions using the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. It combines precise RSI-based entries with dynamic position management, allowing traders to capitalize on both short-term reversals and trend continuations. Let's start with the concept. The EA monitors RSI levels, typically between 25 for oversold and 75 for overbought zones. When RSI moves below 25, it looks for potential buy signals, while values above 75 generate sell conditions. Each trade execution is checked for existing orders to avoid overlap, ensuring that every entry is well-timed and within the grid structure. The system uses a grid expansion model, where new positions are opened dynamically based on distance and market structure. Lot sizes can adjust according to strategy parameters, helping manage exposure and optimize profitability. Once target profit is reached, or if RSI returns to neutral levels, the EA automatically closes trades, resetting itself for the next cycle. Additionally, the EA includes built-in trade counting, profit monitoring, and conditional logic to control entries and exits. This makes it suitable for traders who prefer systematic trading with low manual intervention. Remember, this EA is not a plug-and-play tool. Before using it on a live account, you should fully understand how RSI-based systems and grid mechanisms behave in different market conditions. Always backtest using 99.9% tick data, analyze drawdown behavior, and adjust settings to your risk tolerance. The RSI Adaptive Trading EA offers a flexible, intelligent framework that can evolve with the market, a perfect project for traders and EA builders who want to explore adaptive logic within FXdreema. This is MqlrobotEAs, simplifying algorithmic trading, one build at a time.